Hi, I'm Sunny Forsyth and I'd like to welcome you to the Abundant Water Compound. Our focus is this simple filter, which we'll teach you all about today, and hopefully by the time you leave, you'll know what it's made from, you'll know how to make it, you'll know why we care a lot about it, and maybe you'll see the need for it. They estimate that there are approximately 1 billion people without clean drinking water. That makes it about 1 in 6 of us. Our dream is to bring a simple filter to the world, to be able to teach people to make it. It can be made by anyone, anywhere, and hopefully one day we can have an impact on this issue. So this filter is a very basic one. You look at it and it's not much. It's simple, it's cheap. I think it fills a need. We use clay, ordinary brick clay, so anywhere that they make bricks or roads, that kind of orange clay you see everywhere, and a burnout material. The burnout material started out as coffee grounds, so it's any fine flammable material, a powder. You mix the clay and the coffee grounds together, much like in Year 3 pottery class. You dry it, you fire it, and then you can use it as a filter. So the burnout material gets burnt away and leaves a hole that is small enough that the bacteria doesn't pass through, but the water does. It's like a sponge. The first step was to work with the potter that you've seen today, to teach her how to make one of these filters so that she could integrate it into her traditional pottery technique. And then once she knew it, we could go on to stage 2. The second step was to then turn her into a trainer, to work with her, so that she could share her knowledge with other potters who had similar background, and even those who weren't potters at all, so that they could then make water filters. So the third step is to create a video that is a how-to, a very simple how-to collect the materials, how to process the materials, how to make that filter so that it will create clean drinking water. The fourth step is to get some people to talk about that idea, to get the idea out there, to help spread that idea. That's where you come in. I've spoken to many people who would like to be able to make a contribution. They can see that there are many problems in the world today and they think, I feel like I must make a difference, but I'm not sure where to start. That was a wasted resource. There was a lot of passion and time there that people could contribute. We decided to use an open source process, an open source organisation model, much like Wikipedia. We thought, if they can make an encyclopedia fueled by volunteers, passionate volunteers, all contributing a small amount of time or skill, why can't we take that to a real world problem and create water filters or clean water in villages fueled by a network of volunteers all around the world? That vision has informed us and fueled us over the last 3 years. The contributions have now become pretty much countless. Everyone contributing a small thing, a small bit of time, a small something that has allowed us to just get that one step further. We've had people who run a fundraising campaign with their friends. The website was prepared by a volunteer. Our logo was designed by a graphic designer in Canada. The research that allowed us to get started was done by a man called Tony Flynn in a laboratory in Australia. But you know, if you might have similar skills that you can contribute. www.abundantwater.org. Have a look, get in touch with us.